Today we're working on a Chamberlain K1025 garage door remote. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to replace the battery, and I'll also show you how to open the remote if you need access to the inside circuit board. First, let's start with the battery replacement. Flip the remote over and you'll see the battery compartment right away on the back of the remote. To open it, slide down the small clip-on battery cover plate. Once the plate is removed, to remove the old battery, you can use the same battery cover plate you just removed. Once the old battery is out, take your new 26A 12V battery. Before installing it, look inside the battery compartment and find the plus and minus signs marked on the board. Make sure the battery direction matches the markings on the remote. Slide the new battery into place, then put the battery cover plate back on. Slide the cover closed until it sits properly. That's it for the battery replacement. Now I'll show you how to get access to the inside of the remote and the front of the circuit board. Before opening the remote, remove the visor clip from the back. Then, remove the battery from the battery compartment. Next, take a Phillips screwdriver and unscrew the screw on the back of the remote. Once the screw is removed, take the visor clip and insert it into the groove along the side of the remote. Choose the side with the thicker plastic because it gives you a better spot to pry from. Gently twist the visor clip until you hear the housing start to unclip. Once the clips release, separate the back housing from the front housing. Line up the back housing with the front housing and snap both pieces back together. Reinstall the screw with your Phillips screwdriver. After that, put the battery back in, slide the battery cover back on, and reinstall the visor clip. That's it! Your Chamberlain K1025 remote battery has been replaced,